How to join two videos together in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our CapCut application. You will see a page like this. Now here, in order to add your first clip, tap on New Project. Once you have added your first clip, you can tap on this plus icon and add your second clip in order to combine them together. And now this clip will be saved as one. If you would like to add transition from one clip to another, you can tap on this sign and here search for any transition that you want. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. If you're satisfied, tap on this export icon. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.